Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick video tutorial real quick for a friend of mine. He has an old fan like I have right here, this old white Walmart fan. They start squeaking after a certain amount of time, and I wanted to show him real quick how to fix it. The top right here, this piece just pops off, like that, just pops off. Toss it to the side. Lay the fan down flat, make sure your fan is unplugged before you do any of this. Whoops, drop the piece. And then on the back right here, this cover, it's usually a Phillips. You unscrew it like this. These things get squeaky after a while because what happens is dirt, hair, and dead skin particles get inside of them and it clogs them. So what you have to do, you have to take this cover off like that. See, as you can see, mine's filthy. I haven't cleaned it in a while, so it's really, really dirty. But it doesn't squeak right now, so I'm not really too worried about cleaning it out. But I wanted to show you guys real quick how easy it was. All this stuff right here wipes off. Okay, see this screw right here? You don't really usually have to take it off. All you need is a couple of drops of 3-in-1 oil on here, on the pulley right here, underneath the pulley. A couple of drops of 3-in-1 oil there. A couple of drops of 3-in-1 oil between the motor here and this pulley. And then up here at the top, this pulley right here, 3 drops only of 3-in-1 oil right here in this hole right here. No more than 3, because if you put more than 3, it'll cause an issue. Now those drops will go down in here, and they'll start making the gears stop squeaking so much. But that's why your gears squeak, because these things get dirty, oily, dirty, grimy, and hairy, as you can see. But that's all it is. And you just, throw it back together. You put your cover back on. Put your screw back in, which with one good hand is hard to do. My other hand is, sorry, my hands are really shaky because of my conditions. Oh, come on. Let me get the screw back on here real quick. 1 second. Ah. Stupid hand. Oh, I have the screw upside down. No wonder. All right. Ah. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. When you got shaky hands, screws are always an issue. They don't want to go back where they belong. All right, there we go. Got it back in. You screw it back on. This is a real simple fix. You pop the peg back on like this. And of course, all you, I'm pretty sure, know how to take the front off of them to clean them. But just in case, here, let's show you real quick. There's these clips on the side right here. It's got 3 of them. You undo them. The face falls off. Toss the face down. You got this screw right here that you've got to unscrew, which when you're right-handed is really hard to do, especially when your left hand doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. All right, unscrew the peg. At the end there, it gets a little stiff because she's old. Oh, really? 1 second, I'm going to lay you guys down for 1 minute. That one doesn't want to come off. There it is. There we go. Got the sucker off. Then, of course, you pop off your fan blade. Then you take and lay it on its back. You don't have to take the rest of it off. Just put 3 drops of 3-in-1 oil right here on the shaft. It'll go down into the motor. It'll lubricate the parts of the motor. Just 2 drops of this one, not 3. 3 on the other end, 2 on this end. Then when you're done, you give it a good spin like this. Then you put your top back on it. Your blade back on it. You put your cork back on the blade. Or your cap back on the blade. Spin it down, twist it, make sure it's tight. Then you put your cover back on. Then you close it up. Then you set it back up. You plug it in to your power supply. I didn't have to oil mine because I've already done it. And then when you turn it back on, should be no squeak. Hey, no squeak. Mine squeaked before I did this to it. She's over 5 years old, so she squeaked before I did this to it. And then if you don't want her to oscillate, you just pull the pin and it stops the oscillation. That's all there is to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just thought I'd show that tutorial for a friend of mine. Like, subscribe, bell notification, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for being here. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye, everybody.